This is how to use the Bevel Modifier in Blender. The Bevel Modifier is used to add more detail and smooth the edges and vertices of a mesh, and it is very useful to make your objects look more realistic. To start, add the bevel to your object in the modifier properties. Now you can choose between beveling vertices or edges. Then you can edit the bevel size with different width types like offset, depth, or percent. You can add more segments to make the edges look more rounded, and you can apply shade smooth if you want. If you want the modifier to be applied only in some specific edges, you can set a limit method. Select an angle limit, or make a vertex group with the part of the object you wanted to bevel. Also, you can choose weight limit to do a profile. Select an edge and set the bevel weight value to 1 in the item settings. You can do a super ellipse profile, editing the shape value. Or you can do a custom profile with this graph. To finish, you can choose some of the profile presets, like moldings or stairs.